Watch, check. Hat, check. Glasses, check. Tie, check, check. Shoes, check. And the belt, check. Taniwa. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Justin Trouser, founder and CEO Loaded Up Clothing. Hey, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to measure for a custom suit. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Ooh, Taniwa. Hey, and today I have a nice, a loyal customer from Loaded Up Clothing. Yeah, her name is Caroline Tsuma. Taniwa. Yeah, and here is Caroline Tsuma.
Hi, Loaded Up Service.
Yeah, so I'm going to take measurements of her for a bespoke suit. Stay tuned. So first you start with, you can start with any part, but I usually start with the upper part, then the lower part. You can start with the bicep. You make sure that you measure it like to fit. So like this one here is about 11 inches. And then you go to the shoulders. And make sure when you're measuring the shoulders, you start from this bone, the tip of the bone from one shoulder, pass it over to the neck, and then to the other shoulder. Thirdly, you're going to take the full length of the coat, which you start from the bottom of the neck till just below the seat, depending on what the client actually wants. And then you take the size of the chest. Make sure it goes from just below the back to the largest part of the chest, right there. And then next you take the stomach, the measurement of the stomach. Make sure it passes at the highest point of the stomach, there. Then now you take the sleeves, the measurement of the sleeve. Make sure it goes right to the bottom. Just relax. Make sure when you're taking measurements, your client relaxes, doesn't flex or anything. Yeah, and just go up to slightly below, like 1 inch below the wrist bone. Yeah, and we can also take the measurements of the neck for the shirt. It's there. Like that. Give it some allowance. So now you're done with the coat. We have the bicep, we have the shoulder, we have the chest, we have the stomach, we have the neck. Now we want to measure for the trouser. Yeah. So we can start off with the waist. Make sure he or she is not wearing any belt and doesn't have anything in their pockets. So yeah, you measure from the side and have the waist like that. Make sure for you to know your waist, you just put 3 fingers on your belly bottom there, and on your umbilical cord there. Yeah, so like that. And then you take the measurements of the crouch, which goes from the waist, and the front part of the waist there, to the back side of the waist, like that. Then now you take measurements of the thigh, which starts from slightly just at the bottom of the crouch. Right there. And then you can also take the largest part of the thighs, right there. Next, you take measurements of the hips. There. take measurements of the hips depending on the client. Some want it to fit, some want it a little bit loose. And then you take the measurements of the knee. So you can measure with the trouser he or she is wearing, like that. And then you multiply by 2, or you can just measure the knee itself, like that, and then you add like 3 inches. Then finally you go to the bottom. Oh, not finally actually. You do the same, you measure like that using the trouser halfway, and then you multiply by 2, or you can just take the real measurement and then add like 3 inches. So now you take the full height of the trouser from the waist down to the bottom. Yeah, so some clients actually opt for a trouser that is slightly touching the ankle, some below the ankle, some above the ankle, depending on your client's choice. Yeah, so that was it, guys. I hope you learned something new today. You can check us out on loadedup.co.ke. Check link in the description. Yeah, our videographer today was none other than Miya Brighton, and we are at Studio Bella Bella. Shaka. Tanyua. See you next time.